Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, Euro USD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are up, so we are in the uptrend. We are up of the EMA, as you can see. Coming back to daily chart, daily chart, daily chart. We opened with a gap today. Okay, so when the market opened earlier this morning, like 12 hours ago, 15 hours ago, yeah. So 15 hours ago when the market opened, it opened with a gap, and that is what I had been telling you last couple, in last couple of days. Okay, on Friday I told you, on Sunday I told you as well that dollar is being manipulated right now. That is why the market opened with a gap. But then London market kicked in, and now US market opened again. So we are trying to fill that gap. It's called fair value gap, FVG. Okay, so now, the market opened right here. So on Friday, it closed right here. Okay, it closed here and it opened here. So that was a like 100 pips gap. Maybe let me check again. This was market closed here. Okay, so 1742 and opened here 1650, 90 pips. Okay, so there was a gap of 90 pips when the market opened today. That is why I told you on Friday as well as on Saturday or Sunday weekend videos that this dollar is being manipulated, and don't trade dollar pairs. If you were in my free Telegram, I have sent the message that quit dollar trade, exit out of your dollar trades. I told you on Friday. Go and check my Telegram message if you have joined my free Telegram. Okay, so I told you on Friday that not to trade dollar pairs, or rather exit, or rather tighten a stop loss. This is what I have said in the anyways, go and check this out. So long story short, we are still intact. Okay, we are the uptrend in Euro USD is still intact, because now we are getting a bullish hammer. Okay, so when this candle will be closing in next maybe 5 hours for today. So on 6th of October, this will be closing in 5 hours. You have to see how it goes. And then if it is a bullish hammer, then tomorrow will go up. It is only the price action. Let me give you a disclaimer. I do not trust US dollar right now. I don't trust US economy. It is being manipulated. I personally do not trade, or I will not trade. Since Friday, I have decided that I will not trade dollar pairs. I will trade all these non-USD pairs. There are too many pairs, and I have too many opportunities. I can run out of the money, but I cannot run out of the trades. There are so many fucking pairs. Okay, 20 plus pairs I have. I can take trades in any pair. I have so many opportunities. Okay, so this is bullish hammer forming. You have to wait how the candle closes for today. Coming back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we look like continuing uptrend. Okay, so this was your you can see this was the candle Yeah, this was your gap. Okay, so this was your gap. Then we went down. And when the US market opened, then we are doing the correction now. So we are doing the correction, and you can see this low. Yeah. So if you draw the line, you can see rejection has come from this support level. Okay. So the price rejected this level and now it's bouncing off. So now it's a reversal, you could say. And in the daily, the bullish hammer will form by the end of the day. And then we could continue going up and take this high. But again, this is only price action. This is what, as per the technical structure, I see. I don't trust dollar. I don't fucking trust, whatever is happening in America right now. Okay. So do whatever you like. If you want to trade dollar pairs in Euro USD, look for longs. Otherwise, if you want to trade these pairs, you can join my premium signal. Subscribe, like, and join the brokers and join free Telegram. And I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.